Hi everyone. So in this video we will talk about few other commands to create some file, to give some permission to some file, to edit some file in some editor, and to search some file, some data from file. Okay, so like touch command, chmod, vi editor, like vi command, grep command. Okay, so for that, let's see. Okay, so we will let's see where are we first. I have a terminal opened and let me see what are the file I have in this particular terminal. Okay, for now I don't have any file. Okay, so let me create one file. Okay, let me create one shell script like touch. To create one shell script you can type like this, touch, then script name .sh. Okay, so I believe the file has been created. So you can see there the file has been created. Okay, the file has been created. Now let me see the permission. So to see the permission, what command I have to give? ls hyphen ltr, then file name. Okay, so you can see it has only very basic permission. Okay, for owner it is a read write permission. For so it doesn't have any execute permission, so I have to give the execute permission. So to give execute permission explicitly, what we have to do, we have to use chmod command. Okay, chmod 777 means it will get for everything, for all a user can execute this particular file. Okay, so this format is ch777. It can be 766, it can be 765. So based on that, this is a very basic tutorial, so I'm just showing the basic full access. Okay, to give full command like 777, then the file name. Okay, I have given the file name. Now you can see it has a executable file, it has become executable file, and the color of this file also has been changed. Okay, anyway, so the color is not a big matter. So let's see the permission again, ls hyphen ltr, then file name. Okay, so you can see it has got read write and execute, all the permission for the all the kind of user. Okay, now I want to write some print something from this file. So I have to open this file. To open this file we will use vi editor. Okay, so for that what I have to give, vi command, vi then file name. Okay, my script.sh. So it has opened the, for now the file is blank. Okay, so for vi, so whenever you will open a file with vi, it will open in non-editable or read mode only. Okay, read only mode. To write something I have to go in write mode. To write mode I have to press I. If I press I, it will show that it is giving us like insert permission. Now I can type here. Okay, so I will just print a echo command, echo hello from my script. Okay, now to save this file, what command do you use? First of all, I had to press escape just to go back on the read mode. Now it has, you can see the insert has been omitted. Now I am in read mode. Now to save this file, like colon, then w means write. Okay, and q means quit, means whatever you have changed, write it and then quit. Okay, so it has been write and quit. So if I again open this particular file, you can see my script is there. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to execute this file. So for now I didn't change anything, so for this case my command will be colon q, only quit. So it is done. Now I want to execute this file. So for execute this file, what are the command I should use? Sh space my script. Okay, now you can see it has print that hello from my script. Fine. So this is the way we can do some uh, script creation. For any purpose we have to create shell script. In this way we can create and we can edit the script, we can write the logic in the script. Okay, so in next video I will tell you about few other command and the grep command. Okay, thanks for watching.